Yeah, it's July 23rd, 2015. We're at the parking lot down the road here from the shop. And this Paul's a 16-8 Firebird here. We're just doing a little video shoot here. And there she is. Yeah, that's good, Paul. And the original engine 350 Poncho. It's got like 87,000 miles on it. And on the top, a bit of a cam, and a cam dynamics cam, Paul says. Some dress up goodies, K&N, chrome filters. Close to quick. Yeah, you can see she's clean and sweet and straight. Just gonna take it around there, do a quick spin. All right. Yeah, she drives like a gem, that's for sure. She's a good runner. Okay. This side. Go to this side. All right, let's do it.